Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I haven't done this in so long. So today we will be making matcha latte with chicken wings. So let's do it. Okay, so the water is done boiling, so I'm gonna pour some in, just eyeballing it. I got my whisk, and you just whisk it until it becomes like watery and not clumpy. There you go. See, it looks like this. Like, it's a little thick but watery. Made my own little sugar, and then I just pour it in there to see however much I want. Got the milk. Put the straw in. There we go, we have matcha. Now we gotta make the chicken wings. Forgot the taste test. I feel like it just keeps tasting better and better every day because I get used to making it. So if you want to make it, get some matcha. Onto the chicken wings, let's go. These are the spices I use, not including salt. So I'm gonna put it in the chicken and let's go. Put the chicken in there, put some oil. And you just put however much you think you want. I'm gonna put a lot because I like my chicken seasoned. So there's that. I love garlic, so I did that. This Cajun seasoning. And then you take the bowl like this and you just, wait, let me push that in. You just shake it up until all the chickens are coated in the seasoning. Got the salt. That's how the chicken looks after it's done. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer right now. Put the lid on. Click air fry. I'm gonna put it all the way up to 400. I'll say 20. And now we just wait for the chicken to cook. And I'm just gonna sit and drink my matcha. See y'all when it's done. Okay, you hear that air flowing? That's the air fryer working on chicken wings. So, meanwhile, I heated up some kimchi udon noodles. I have some tofu and pork shoulder in it. If you want to see the recipe, let me know. That can be another video. Okay, chicken wings are almost done. 6 minutes. Okay, Okay, the chicken wings are done. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So, looks like this. Super crispy and ready to eat. Okay, so I've made this recipe so many times, so I already know how it tastes like. It tastes like regular chicken wings with some spice in it. And I'm gonna eat it with some barbecue sauce, and you can eat it however way you want. So, like this video, subscribe down below for more videos, cooking videos, traveling videos, vlogging. You know what to do. See you next time.